Hello, my name is Mike. I have a 2002 Toyota Corolla. As you can see, my door handle broke. It broke a while ago, and I've been searching around at like junkyards and stuff. But apparently, these cars always break this handle, and so it's really hard to find them. Just go onto Amazon, search for the year of your car and inside door handle. You'll find that it's actually super cheap. So I'm going to try to remove it and change it out. Hopefully it won't be harder than normal, because I think the wire that connects to it may have fallen down. Let's see. Let me pull it this way. Okay, there. Yeah, the wire's somewhere in the door. Great. Okay, so at first I thought I might have to take off the whole door panel, but turns out if you just stick your fingers down in here, you pull this thing out, and that wire is all you need. So the L shape goes inside that white hole, and then the arm goes inside that slit. So I tried a while to do it with just my fingers, but I realized it's going to be easier with some needle nose pliers. So now I have the L shape down in that hole, and now I can push that white bracket up against it. It just clicked in there. So now I move it. Start forward. Hey, I can open the door without rolling down the window anymore.